This is Everyday English, where we practice real English for everyday life, simple, useful and fun.
If English makes sense in your mind but disappears when you speak, this video will change everything.
Why you understand English but can't speak? The truth no one tells you. Do you understand English when you watch movies? When you listen to songs? When your teacher speaks in classroom? But when you struggle to speak, does your mind go blank? Does your mouth zip shut? Does your tongue becomes stammering? You know the words. You know the grammar, but your mouth does not move. If this is you, don't worry. You are not stupid. You are not bad at English. Today, I will explain why this happens and how you fix it. The solution is simple. Listen and then practice. Be confident, but stay humble. Here is the big truth. Understanding English and speaking English are two different skills. Think about this. You can understand music, but can you play the guitar? You can watch football, but can you play like a professional? No. Because observation without action changes nothing. Understanding is simple. Execution is hard. In the same way, listening is a passive skill. Speaking is an active one. You trained your ears, but you did not train your mouth. You did not instruct your mind. The thought is there, but your mouth will not cooperate. What are the problems then? Problem 1 is wrong mindset. The first big problem is your mindset. Many learners think, I must speak perfect English. If I make a mistake, people will laugh. I will speak when I'm ready. Do you know this mindset is very dangerous? Are you still waiting for confidence? But listen carefully. Confidence does not come before speaking. Confidence comes from speaking. We think confidence leads to speaking. But in reality, speaking creates confidence. Babies do not wait to speak perfectly. They speak wrong. They make mistakes. They grow and learn over time. Mistakes are not your enemy, but silence is. Mistakes help you grow. Silence holds you back. Problem 2. You've learned English the wrong way. Most learners learn English. Grammar rules, vocabulary lists, reading books, writing exams. But speaking was missing. Speaking was left behind. You studied English like a school subject, not like a real-life skill, not as a tool for communicating ideas, cultures and thoughts. Speaking is like swimming because practice matters more than theory. Speaking is like driving, since you learn it by moving, not by watching. Speaking is like dancing, because the more you do it, the more natural it feels. Speaking is like athletics, since strength comes from daily training. You cannot learn this by reading. You cannot be trained this through writing. You must practice with your body. You have to exercise consistently. Your brain knows English, but your mouth is untrained. Do you understand the problems? Good. Now, let me explain the solutions and let's fix the problem. The solution 1 is train speaking as a skill. Step 1. Speak bad English. Yes, speak bad English. Bad English is better than no English. Say short sentences. I like it. I don't understand. Can you help me? I love my family. Simple English is very powerful. Step 2. Speak every day for 5 to 10 minutes. You don't need many hours. Take minutes and talk to yourself. Describe what you see. Repeat sentences from videos. For example, say, I'm drinking tea. I'm playing football. That is a big house. I'm watching this video. Do it every single day, consistently. Make it a daily habit. Step 3. Stop translating. Do not translate from your language. What does it mean? It means don't think in your native language and then convert your thoughts into English. Instead, you should think directly in English. Why this matters? Because translating in your head slows you down. It makes your speech unnatural. It causes pauses, confusion, and mistakes. See the difference. When you translate, first you think in your language, then you translate, then finally you speak, which is long and difficult task. But when you think in English, first you think in English, then you speak naturally, which is very short and easy activity. What to do? Instead, use simple English sentences. Speak with the words you already know. Focus on meaning, not perfect grammar. Think in simple English. Don't think, how do I say this in English? Instead, think like, what simple English can I use? Simple English is real English. In short, think English. Speak English. Let me tell you something important. You are not bad at English. Your brain is not weak. You only trained inputs, listening and reading, not output, speaking. This is normal. Millions of learners have the same problem. The solution is not more grammar. The solution is not more writing. The solution is practicing more speaking. If you understand English but can't speak, remember these things. Change your mindset. Train your mouth. Practice a little every day. Speak simple because clarity builds confidence. Speak slowly because clarity matters more than speed. Speak wrong because mistakes are how you learn. Speak every day because consistency builds fluency. If this video helps you, please like, share and subscribe. Comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.